If you're someone that experienced neglect in childhood, emotional neglect, physical neglect, any sort of neglect, you may be experiencing symptoms of that in your adult life. Let's talk about it. If you were neglected in your childhood, there's often symptoms in adulthood that show that you have experienced or endured neglect and have adapted to that neglect. Some of that may include being really comfortable in isolation, being really comfortable alone, having difficulty maintaining friendships, enjoying spending a lot of alone time or a lot of time by yourself. You are really comfortable being alone because that's all you ever known. Emotionally alone, physically alone is all you've ever known. And so you heal in isolation. You feel most comfortable in isolation. You feel most safe in isolation. Being around folks is actually the hard part for you, is actually the part that feels scary or that can make your nervous system be in overdrive. People pleasing can also be a symptom of neglect. Oftentimes, if you're someone who experienced neglect, you have learned to emotionally anticipate or people please the folks around you in hopes that that would help you get your needs met. And so, being a people pleaser, going above and beyond, being a friend who doesn't have boundaries, being a friend who doesn't ask for a lot, being an easygoing friend, these are all signs that you may be someone who experienced neglect. And that's because you learned in your childhood that it was better to be someone that didn't need a lot, to be someone that didn't ask for a lot, because that is the only way that you survived in the family system, is to make sure that you didn't need too much, to make sure that you didn't ask for too much, to make sure that you didn't overwhelm your family system. And so you learn to meet your own needs, you learn to be easygoing, you learn to be someone that didn't have a lot of boundaries, someone that didn't ask for a lot. And so it may be very difficult for you to ask for your needs to be met, to pick the restaurant that you want to go to say no to your friends, or anything along those lines. You may also realize that you end up in relationships where you are the strong one, the emotional one, the one that takes on all of the responsibility in the relationship. And that is because that's who you had to be in your family system. Because you were neglected in order to have a role in the family, oftentimes people step up to be an important parentification role in the family. So they become the strong one, the martyr, the mediator, the therapist, someone in the family that can be useful. And that's often how you got your needs met or attention, is by being needed, is by being helpful, is by being a people pleaser.